Today we are going to make easy and beautiful DIY candle decoration. Watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and comments and to subscribe me at Aishmin DIY, my channel. Hello my friends and DIY dates. If you're new here, I am Aishmin and welcome to my channel Aishmin DIY. Now let's get started. The first one is the butterfly flower decoration. I upload one video every Friday at 5 p.m. Don't miss that. The rest of the video is going in the description box. If you like this candle holder, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 1. The second one is the flower DIY candle decoration. If you like this, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 2. The third one is the heart candle decoration. Interesting, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 3. Do subscribe me at Aishmin DIY, my channel, and hit the bell button. Don't forget to comment below if you like this video or not. The question of the day is which DIY you like the most. Do comments. Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye, take care, live your dreams.